Hey everyone, Ramcubes here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your programs open and run faster with one very simple code, which is in the description below. So let's get right into this, and you want to get the code, you want to copy the code, and once you copy the code, you want to go over to the program you want to make faster. So in this case I'm going to make Internet Explorer faster, so I'm going to go over to Internet Explorer, right click, go down to Properties, and we get this. Now you want to make sure you're on shortcut right here at the top. You want to make sure you're on shortcut, and you want to go down to target, and this is very important. You want to press space and then paste the code, and then click apply and OK, and you should see that your program will open a lot faster. You can do this with any programs you have. So yeah, if this really did help, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next vid. I'm out.